Diane in Denmark here, and I'm back again with Vibeke. And truth to tell, we forgot about a couple of the things in our last video. So anyway, we had a wee cup of tea and we've eaten our clementines. You can see the stuff in the dishes disappearing. Anyway, just a quick video for you, another one. A couple of things that Vibeke has made very, very simple. And remember, even if you're not celebrating Christmas, you can make any of these decorations, just, you know, some kind of winter hygge decorations.
Yeah.
So, Vibeke, what's this one?
And these are just big pine cones where I added a silvery star, glued it on and put it on a glass tray plate. And just and simple, you have a little Christmas tree. And if you want more, you can have one in another shape, and then you have a little group of Christmas trees.
Yeah, and many of the decorations in Denmark, we use things, you know, from the forest or from our garden. So you'll see we have a lot of greenery.
But these big ones you can't find in Denmark, but they are available in every flower shop.
Or hobby shop. And also, if you're lucky enough to live in the south of France, they have huge pine trees.
They are from France.
I know these ones are from, because I've collected them myself when we've been on holiday in France. So all the French people there, you know what you've got to do with your pine cones.
Yeah.
And the other ones that you've got here, Vibeke?
Yeah, I made small balls just out of moss, where I wrapped some silvery
Is
thread.
it wire or thread?
Yeah, wire of kind of. And then I added some small greeneries and cones and small stars.
Look at
And
that.
then I
So you
had
don't
them
need
on
much.
a little tray.
Yeah.
And a smaller one, also with a little cone. And then I use this spray glue and just some silver
Glitter.
yeah.
And then, you know, Christmas time in Denmark, the whole month of December is the Christmas month.
It's glittery all over.
Yeah, we've got glitter, you know, we're not just wearing glitter, you've got it everywhere. The kids are coming home with glitter, it's in your tea. And in Denmark, the month of December is known as the Christmas month because we do something Christmassy or something hygge every single day. We've got the candles, we've got something to eat, we've got the TV advent calendar, there's a thing every day.
Yeah. It's a big countdown.
Yes, the big countdown. And also, I think I've mentioned this before, but the word Christmas in Denmark, jul, they also use it as a verb at jule, to Christmas, and you can certainly see that in Denmark and in Scandinavia in general. The whole month is spent doing hygge Christmas things, meeting up with your friends to have a day where you cut out paper shapes and decorate the tree. We ate Bestie and glug. We made a video about that last year. And just doing something with your hands, just making small things. Now, this wasn't made by a Dane. I'm going to show you these because they're so popular.
I love
now, there's nothing in here. Oh, there is one from last year.
How lucky.
Who's going to get this one? Now, these are little hats, and they were made by my neighbour, my mum's best friend, Jean, in Edinburgh. Hello, Jean. And Jean is about 83 now. She's a fantastic knitter, lots of crafts, knitting, crochet, and she made these, about 10-15 years ago for me. And if you can see there, they look like little puddings, Christmas puddings.
Yeah.
And what you do is, she gave me them actually in the box with Ferrero Rocher, if you know those sweets. So what you do is, every year I buy some Ferrero Rocher. Oh, okay, there's none left. Who ate all the Ferrero Rocher? Hands up. Anyway, there's one left, you can see here. And what you do is you just put the little hat on the Ferrero Rocher, and it just makes a really little cute thing to put out on a dish. And everybody wants a little hat. And thank you to Julie, TLoverJB on Instagram, Julie on YouTube. She actually found a pattern this for, so I will try and put the link in the video information, and you're going to be knitting
I'm going to start knitting tonight.
But they're a great small gift. You know, if you enjoy crafting and want to do something with your hands. But the whole thing of the Christmas month for us is just making, you know, small making sweets or making gifts or making some kind of decoration. And it's a real, it gets rid of the stress and it really encourages us to look forward to what's coming. So anyway, we are going to look forward to having a second cup of tea. We're on to that. So I hope we give you some more ideas for making a really Hygge Christmas. And thank you again, Vibeke, for your hospitality. And I know everybody loves your house. Vibeke is a type 2, by the way, dressing your truth. And there's no doubt about that. If you know Vibeke's house.
And I never knew what it was.
You never know what it was, but now you definitely know it's type 2. Type 2, 1 and 1, 4 here, yeah. So anyway, all I have left to say is live long and prosper. May the Danish Hygge be with you. Hope you have a fantastic December and let's keep on hugging out there. Okay, yes. I need to run around, so Vibeke could just...
yeah, bye-bye everyone.
Well, I switch off the camera. Okay, see you soon. Bye.